How to log into multiple WhatsApp accounts on Android. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio. And if you want to add your second WhatsApp account on the same Android phone, then here in this video I'll show you how you can do this. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video, guys. Well, so adding another WhatsApp account on the same Android phone is pretty quick and easy. Simply go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application from your device, and from the WhatsApp homepage, tap on this three-dot line at the top right. And from here, tap on Settings. Now once you're here inside your WhatsApp settings, you'll get to see the plus icon beside your profile. If I tap on this one, you'll get to see this is the current account. Now if I add another one, tap on Add Account right here. And I just need to go through this process and log in with another account. And once you have logged in with another account, if I go to this three-dot line once again, tap on settings button right over here, and if I tap on this profile icon right here, he'll get to see I have two different accounts showing right here. Now you can easily switch between two different accounts on WhatsApp, and this is how we actually can log into multiple WhatsApp accounts on the same Android phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.